Hey everybody, it's Steve with Three Fat Truckers. We're down here at the Louisville Match Show 2024. Sit here with my two buds, Dave and Bill. How we doing, boys?
I left.
Holla.
I'm having a great time. I'm not even
All
going
right.
to candy
We
coat
got a
it.
birthday boy still sitting over here
Oh,
running the board.
He met one of his idols today, and
Yeah, he had to go change his pants. They got
I know
all
it.
wet.
we're rocking a good
Uh,
show.
Yeah, we
We're
are.
still rolling out the interviews here at the show. We're sitting here with Troy Mack from Mack Adapter, LLC. How we doing, Troy?
Good. How are you guys?
Pretty good. Give us a little insight. What's Mack Adapter?
Well, Mack Adapter is a crank handle for your trailer landing gears. Uh, uh, Adapted it to where you can just use a drill attachment in order to lower or raise your trailer landing gears so that you don't have to do it manually. You don't have to have that strain for your back, your shoulder, your arms,
Yeah.
your knees, because we're all getting a little older here.
Yeah, but you notice this guy has cranked $1 or two over here. He looks like
I think he's just working out.
he looks like
he
I
got-
did
he got some
when I
guns.
went to sleep last night in my dream.
I thought he was going to say, wanted to know where the zoo was to take them pythons back.
Yeah, that's right. You know,
Yeah.
he brought his shotguns to a truck show.
No, he just came from the gun show.
Yeah.
Have you seen my beach ball? Left it over there.
So you have a handle in front of you. You said what hooks to it? You're saying a drill to run them up
Yes.
and down now?
Half-inch adapter. Just
Watches.
separate.
Oh, Dave.
It separates, and then you can just
Okay.
and put your drill attachment to it,
Pull the pin right out.
and put your
Take it.
drill right there.
Put your drill right in the middle of it.
There you go.
And,
Now, Dave was giving you a hard time earlier if we got on here. He's got an error on a couple.
push
He
one.
don't have.
One.
Okay, yeah. You know why it's only one? Because it's too expensive.
That's what I was thinking.
But it's nice.
But-
that
This
That
works
there-
with me because
yeah.
they all made fun of me because I have a screw gun that I use to wind my straps up on flatbed. And it's the same thing that'll fit in here,
Yeah.
run my dollies up and down.
Exactly.
So
That's
that's
right.
exactly what I'm looking at. And this
Yep.
this is right up my alley here.
Yeah, it works really well, especially even in the wintertime when it's 10 below and you're out there and the grease and everything is bound up. and it's
Yeah.
very tight. Trying to,
In the shop
Feel
floor,
like your arm's gonna
90
fall off. Trying to.
and it's cold, so
So
Uh,
how good does it work? Far as well, I guess it's gonna be the strength of the drill or whatever you're putting on it. But
well, you
far
just
as
go low
like the
gear.
trailer's loaded, heavy. I mean, even sometimes with a normal handle, I've snapped them suckers off.
well, what I
Trying to
found
crank
out
a gear.
is, at 8,000 pounds, or I haul reefer, so that's what I do.
Yep.
So usually about 44,000 pounds, it's going to put me on my gross weight. Even if that trailer is loaded and it's sitting above my fifth wheel, I
We
can
have that
take,
a lot
I can take that drill
A lot of
and
problems.
put it in low gear, and I can drop that trailer right down onto my fifth wheel.
Mm-hmm.
When the pressure is released off the landing gears a little bit,
Yep.
I can pop it right into high gear and it'll zip the trailer right on up.
Cool.
So I don't have any problems
So
with
low
that at
gear
all.
is enough with the drill. Have
It,
no problem.
it is.
We
and
used to
you
have
can actually
problems.
even raise it.
Yeah.
If
Really?
You like. You
We
can
used to
raise
have a
it.
lot of problem with people with running tall rubber and short rubber, dropping trailers too high for the next guy.
Oh,
And
Short rubber, they're tall.
yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Well, you have a taller fifth wheel height when you're out there cranking your brains out trying to get it back down onto the truck to even hook up. So
Made in America.
It
There
is.
you go.
It's all made in Minnesota.
Minnesota,
Soda.
Yes, sir.
up north, y'all. Eh?
We are. This winter it hasn't been too awfully
You've
cold,
had
so
one
we
of the
haven't
best-
been able to test it
Mm-hmm.
in the 25 and 30 below, like we get in North Dakota.
Right,
Sure.
right.
So
So
Minnesota.
where are you based out of?
Bloomington, Minnesota.
Minnesota.
Right.
Okay.
And so I run a small trucking company also. So by doing this is
So
the
you're
reason why I
supplying
came up
this
with
to your drivers then.
all of them. Every
All of
trailer
them?
I have
There you go. There you
has
go.
the Mack adapter on it. And
Now,
it
do you
works
fly
great.
them with the drill too?
I actually did it first,
But
You get one after
people
that,
don't take
you're on
care
your-
of stuff the way they should.
but when it comes down to it and you ask them, how's the drill working for you? Oh, I haven't used it. Oh, okay, we give it back. Since you haven't used it.
Exactly.
And then when it comes wintertime and then it gets colder and then they want that drill, well, go get yourself a drill.
Yeah.
See them at Harbor Freight or Northern.
Right. And actually, Harbor Freight actually has a drill that works great there. I couldn't believe it. Paid
I
$100.
have a ringing in my head.
It was.
There's a couple I seen as far as them happen. They're able to snap a daggone stud off your wheel and stuff with them now. They got,
Yes,
for being battery operated, they got some good torque to them.
I couldn't believe it, and they do. I actually have one of their drills I actually have tested, and it's been proven. So it does work. Works
I
well.
bought them from Harbor Freight and from Northern Tool before, and they all seem to be pretty decent anymore. I can remember back in the day. I can remember back in the day when you would buy stuff from tool places like that. It was always the Chicago, or it was cheap. You use it 3 times and it'd break. Well, it's because you spent instead of spending $250 for one, you spent $39.99. But now the $39.99, the quality's come up a lot in the years for quite a few of the products.
It has. It has. I have DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Hercules from Harbor Freight. And
Okay, you want me to break your heart now?
go ahead.
Stanley Tools owns all of them.
Get out of here.
No, they own all of them.
Is that
They
right?
make the batteries just so you can't interchange.
Is that right?
It's honest.
I'm sure somebody out there has
bought
figured
them.
something out.
Wall, Makita, all of them. They bought buys. They own all of them. They even bought Craftsman Tools.
Well, good for Stanley.
Yeah. So
Good to them.
One way to the corner of the market.
you want to corner the
competition.
market, make batteries interchangeable.
That's right.
I will use one over the other one and the other one, and then
That's the way
make
you
it
do
more
it.
user friendly. But you know how we're not going to do that.
Right. No.
Well, it looks
Nothing
like you got
against
a good product
Stanley,
here.
I like your product.
Yes. Oh, so this product here that he's
Yeah, I
got.
like this. This is something I would.
It just save you from cranking your brains out. I mean,
It does. It does.
Until they invent a
Or
button, I
throw
back
your
up, don't have to
shoulder,
get
or-
out of the truck, hit a button.
Right.
no,
It retails online for $120, and if you go on to our website and put in Match 2024, you get a $20 discount. So
cool.
and it's free shipping. So that's one of the good
Free
things.
shipping's the best.
It is.
Right.
It really is.
Not for me, because I'm the shipper.
Oh,
I'm the truck driver. I can't do it for free.
Uh,
it's true. It's true.
So, wonderful.
well, we like to thank you for stopping by today. I think this is a pretty good product. Like I said, I can remember in the day just cranking my brains out when trailers were too high.
Why we got him on the show
To
now?
be able to put a drill in there and let it do it for me,
All right.
that'd be pretty cool.
Well, I appreciate you guys for having me. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We all do it.
We'll give it back to him, Dave.